Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to remove a Cash App card from your wallet. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone if you're not already. So if you do not already have the application, you can just go to the App Store and download it. Open up the App Store on your mobile phone. And once you open it up, you want to open up the search bar. In the search bar, search for Cash App and find the application. So once you find the application, you can go ahead and install it. And after installing it, you can go ahead and open it up. So now we can go ahead and log in either with our phone number or with our login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can take a look at our cash balance, our savings, and all the other settings that we can access. And now we can get started. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to remove our Cash App card from any wallet. Basically, guys, what we're going to be doing to find our card info is right here. As you can see at the bottom of the page, you can take a look at the Sections tab. Currently, we are in the home page. So this is our home page section. And next to the home page section is the card icon. So what you want to do is click on the card icon next to the home page. This is going to enable you to go ahead and now open up your card that you're using. So it's going to look like this, where you can take a look at your cash card. You will be able to take a look at all your info. You can add it to Apple Pay, as you can see, and so on. Basically, guys, to remove the card, we have two options. Either we can go directly into your wallet, from which you can go and select the card and just click remove. Go into your Apple Wallet, find the card you want to remove, tap on it, and click remove. Or you can just deactivate it from here. So as you can see, guys, you'll be able to deactivate it and remove it from your Cash App. So if you want, you can go and directly into Cash App, deactivate this card, and it's no longer going to be usable. So your Apple Wallet is no longer going to be usable for your card, and your card is no longer going to be used. And it's easy as that. So that's what you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.